Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. No one wants their iPhone being tracked, especially without their knowledge. But how is someone still able to track your phone? We discuss this further below, along with how to tell if someone is tracking your iPhone. iPhone tracking app. The most common method of tracking someone's iPhone location and other activities is by using a phone spy app, tracking app, or spyware. The very first thing that I'll go ahead and talk about the hidden applications. Now we go to settings and scroll down to general. Come down to your iPhone storage if you especially come to this particular section. This is going to show you all those available applications even if it's hidden. If there is, delete it. Indicator light prompt. Next things I'll talk about is your microphone and the camera. If you see your iPhone is showing you this green color, that means somebody else is actually using your camera to see or look up everything on your phone. However, if it shows you this orange icon on the top of your iPhone, that means someone's actually or secretly using your microphone access. Battery drains quickly. Now if you see your iPhone is draining the battery very unexpectedly, it means somebody is using some of the application or something on your iPhone that makes your iPhone drain the battery so quick. So we need to go to settings and select battery. Find the apps that you don't use often but consume a lot of battery power from these apps. Just delete it after you're sure. iPhone strange behavior. The fourth option, which are pretty common especially when you feel your iPhone is vibrating or making some unknown noise that is not very expected, indicates that someone may be using your iPhone. You can go to settings. Tap general. Select transfer or reset iPhone. Reset your all settings to prevent it. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.